Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial we'll be creating this fun, wedding worthy black buttercream cake decorated with some fondant hexagons. I've used a 4-inch, a 6-inch and an 8-inch cake for this, just a single cake cut in half and then filled with buttercream. I'm crumb coating each cake to trap in all the crumbs, and I've used the same color as the outside final coat will be. That way if you can see through to the crumb coat, it kind of all camouflages. Follow the same steps for your 6-inch and your 8-inch. Refrigerate them for about 20 minutes and then apply a final layer of frosting as I have here. This will be the final decorative coat, so make sure it's nice and smooth. Bring that lip of frosting to the center and then refrigerate for about a good 20 minutes or so. In the meantime, you can work with your other tiers just by following the same steps. I've used black gel food color to create this really dark black buttercream. The 6-inch and the 4-inch are currently in the freezer. They're going to stay there for about half an hour. I'm going to take 3 different colors of fondant, roll it out into lugs and then press them all together. Give it a good twist and then roll it into a ball. And I've used cornstarch to make sure that my fondant doesn't stick to my countertop as I roll it out. You could roll it out to about 2 or so millimeters in thickness, as I have here, probably even a little bit thinner to be honest. Totally up to you. This is a multiple hexagon cutter. The brand FMM create these really cool fondant cutting tools, and you can find them on eBay as well. Cut it in the marble and also in just a plain white and a plain grey. Here I've added bubble tea straws cut flush with the top of the cake, and these are here to support the weight of the top tiers. You can take the 6-inch and the 4-inch cake out of the freezer now and stick it together with a little bit of buttercream in between the 2 cakes. Because it's been sitting in the freezer, it's nice and solid. I can handle it with my hands and it won't dent the frosting. Once it's all centered, give it a good press to make sure it's all on there securely. And then add on your decorations. Here I've gone on with some gold leaf, just a little bit on each tier, and I've made sure to plant my little hexagon fondant pieces around the gold leaf, so it's not completely covering it, but it's kind of starting where that gold leaf is. You can apply this onto your cake with just a little bit of water. I've also tried to make it go in a diagonal sort of formation, and I've also applied just a few hexagons kind of straying off the main band there as well, just to give it a bit more interest. If you're enjoying these videos, feel free to subscribe. We do upload a new video every week. Once you have applied all of your fondant hexagons on, go the extra decorations if you like. I've decided to go in with some silk flowers and then just some plastic greenery as well to match. And there you have it. I think this is a really fun little engagement or birthday worthy cake. It's really simple to do but effective, I think. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it and give it a go. If you do, hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can see your awesome creations as well. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you again in the next tutorial.